Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about has and have. We use has when we talk about one person, place, thing, or animal. When we talk about more than one person, place, thing, or animal, we use have. With I and you, we always use have. Fill in the blanks with has or have. 1. A butterfly has beautiful wings. 2. The boys have new bats. 3. She has golden hair. 4. The old man has a big umbrella. 5. An elephant has big ears. 6. You have a lovely smile. 7. I have a bad cold. 8. She has to go out. 'Thank you.